Daily $8 short fishing report.
11/3/2016. How's it going, folks? This is my official
Portfolio. I don't even know if people use portfolios anymore. But this has some branding
that I used to do for Wells Fargo in it.
I did not actually create the brand, but I did do a lot to participate in it. Some really neat stuff. I think I'm going to go into detail later about some really nice Photoshop work. Was their old brand. They ended up doing some more heavier branding. For them, which was really cool. Really cool. Did a whole rebranding with their new brand. This is part of it. A little embossing on the stagecoach. All that work. I loved print. I still love print. I love print. I love the ability to do crazy folds, crazy color. This company, they liked the small comp that I presented them so well that they decided to go ahead and make that into a little mini brochure, which was pretty cool. Pretty cool folding. It's called Arc. Trying to get the arc in the fold. This is a postcard campaign I created for them. I actually did the photos for them too. This is a higher end brochure. I did this illustration. I think I showed this illustration earlier. It's an illustration of hands with puzzle pieces. Pencil. Had a lot of fun doing it. A lot of fun doing that one. So that is an illustration, people. So another high-end brochure. This was a lot of fun to do. Another high-end brochure, which was fun to do. These are all really nice printed pieces with a lot of different print parts. This actually was, I drew this whole thing by hand and with ruby lips, which is the color separation part. But I think what's neat is that you could really redo this in Illustrator very easy. But this was pre-Illustrator. Or if it wasn't pre-Illustrator, it was so early on in Illustrator that you probably could have done it in Illustrator. I don't know if you could have been able to separate the artwork for the printer with Illustrator at that point. Pretty cool. More advertising work. PRS, great company I love to work for. Workaholics. This was their old logo. This is their new branding I created for them. Some really heavy extensive Photoshop on the cover, which was pretty cool. There's a couple brochures in here actually. I'm going to go into more detail with these later on. I just kind of wanted to give a little bit of a preview of printing. Love print. I love the print. What kind of paper goes on, the color, the actual separation, the going to press checks, making sure all the colors are perfect. It's really a great job to have. Okay, folks, I'm gonna let you go for now. Day late, dollar short, fishing report, grabbers report. Tight lines all the time.